are affordable beginners makeup kit from the drugstore. The makeup kit I will show you is available at the drugstore and you can buy from here. Then without delay, I come to the main topic of this video. So first of all, let's talk about the primer. Because primer is applied before foundation. This is Maybelline Dream One Day Perfect Primer. It is very smooth and soft base that protect your skin not only from oiliness but also dryness. ये आपके फेस को vibrant and bright look देती है because it contains moisturizing formulas that refresh your skin and also covers your pores. Moving on, if you love nude makeup, then you need a great foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation. I am in the shade of 128 Warm Nude. This foundation is amazing and very affordable. It gives medium to full coverage to the skin. Whatever you choose according to your skin, it will bring a natural glow to your skin. Ever since I started doing makeup, I just use this foundation. I literally say you all that it blends completely with my skin tone. And it has never disappointed me, so you can go for it and you will love it. Next one is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer with a shade of 20 Sand. You can buy this product because it gives natural coverage to your skin. लेकिन मैं इतना concealer use नहीं करती हूँ because I don't have any blemishes on my face. You can see me. अगर आप लोगों के स्किन में पिगमेंटेशन का प्रॉब्लम है तो इसे आप लोग जरूर अपना सकते हैं. ये बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल है और बहुत ही गुड प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज Maybelline New York Fit Me Poreless Matte Compact Powder. I am the shade of 220 Natural Bees. I hope you love this product because it mattifies and adjusts the natural skin for poreless looking skin. So you can go for it. Moving on, it's an amazing Maybelline New York Fit Me Blush with the shade of 204 Medium Pink. I love this product and you can go for it if you want a natural attractive look and nude touch on your cheek. और ये एक shimmery perfect blush है जिसे आप लोग highlighter के तरह भी use कर सकते हैं. So you can go for it. Moving on, this is Maybelline Master Contour Palette. The best thing is that contour, blush and highlighters are in the one palette and I have chosen from light to medium for my skin tone. And आप लोग इसे देख सकते हैं, ये bronzer है, ये blush है और ये highlighter है. So I want to show you swatches of this palette. Here I want to show you. This is bronzer. Next one is blush. Here just I want to show you. The last one is highlighter. You can see this. There is great pigmentation here. So ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट और मेरी ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है एंड यू कैन गो फॉर इट. नेक्स्ट वन इज Maybelline Master Strobing Stick with the nude shade. It gives a natural effects on my face. नेक्स्ट वन इज Maybelline New York Dermazel Eyeliner. शायद आप लोगों को काजल बहुत ही पसंद होगा. मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है and it is the best eyeliner I have ever used. It is smudge proof, waterproof and long lasting. And I literally say you that I completely addicted to this gel eyeliner. So you can go for it. Next आपके लिए है Maybelline का Lash Sensational mascara. It is all time favorite. You can see this applicator. It gives me the curly finish on my eyelashes. I hope you will love this product. This is Maybelline New York Fashion Bro Cream Pencil with the shade of dark brown. It is a super blendable pencil or it gives a natural effects on my eyebrows and I love this pencil. Moving on, this is Maybelline Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I am in love with this palette. इसे आप लोग कंटोर, हाइलाइटर एंड आईब्रोज के लिए भी आप लोग यूज कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन गो फॉर इट इफ यू लव न्यूड आई मेकअप. सो देयर आर फ्यू लिपस्टिक्स फॉर बिगिनर्स. जब मैंने मेकअप स्टार्ट किया था तब मेरे पास यही सारे लिपस्टिक थी एंड आई होप आप लोगों को भी इस लिपस्टिक को बहुत पसंद आएंगे. देन आई जस्ट शो यू द स्वैचेस ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक्स. दिस इज विंटेज पिंक, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इंस्टेंट पिंक. लैक्मी का पिंक प्रॉम, ये है लैक्मी का फायर स्टार्टर रेड, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल Maybelline का ये बुलेट लिपस्टिक है। तो इसका जो शेड है रॉक द कोरल ये फायर क्रेकर रेड। लास्ट वन इज माय ऑल टाइम फेवरेट दैट इज फ्लैमिंग फुशिया, बहुत ही सुंदर है। Moving on, this is Maybelline Affordable Super Stay Setting Spray. It holds my makeup for a long lasting. ये मेरी मेकअप को एक स्मूथ एंड मैट फिनिश लुक देती है। मैंने पहले सेटिंग स्प्रे यूज नहीं किया था, बट आई हैव फॉलन इन लव विथ दिस एवर सिंस आई हैव यूज्ड इट। I hope you will love it, and it has very reasonable price, so you can afford it. I think if you are a beginner, then you will get some help after watching this video, and in the description box I have given links to the makeup kit which I have recommended to you as well, bought from the drugstore, and you can go there and see. At last, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.